Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a university from your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the new update in place. It's a simple process, and by the end, you'll have your profile looking just the way you want it. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to find the section where your university information is stored. To do this, look for the About tab and click on it. The About section is where Facebook keeps all sorts of personal details, including your work and education history. After you've clicked on About, scroll down to locate the work and education part. This is where your university or college details are listed. When you find your university entry, look to the right side of that section. You'll notice a small icon with 3 dots. Click on those dots to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, you want to choose Delete University. This option allows you to remove the university from your profile completely. Once you click on Delete University, Facebook will ask you to confirm this action. Simply confirm, and your university information will be removed from your page. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your university from your Facebook profile using the app on your PC. This method is quick and straightforward, especially with the new update changes, making it easy to keep your profile up to date and accurate. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to manage your Facebook profile efficiently.